Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Narayan Rao Kovur. Today in this video, we are going to explain AP Job Calendar 2026, 10,060 post released, department wise breakdown, date of notification, department and number of posts, and why this notification a job calendar is very important, and what are the preparation tips, and what you should do next. These are the details I will explain one by one. First of all, AP Job Calendar 2026. AP Job Calendar 2026, 10,060 post released. The government has officially released the AP Job Calendar 2026, and this time a total of 10,060 jobs, government jobs are announced. Number of vacancies are 10,060. According to the latest update, the AP government has released the job calendar as a part of the Ugadi gift for unemployed youth. For the purpose of unemployed youth, the government released this job calendar particularly. So, total vacancies, total posts are 10,060. This includes police department, education department, medical and health department, and other departments also included. So total posts are 10,060. Department wise breakdown. Department wise breakdown. So date of notification May 15th, 2026. Department Higher Education. Number of posts are 1500. 1500. Next, August 15th, 2026. Departments are Group 1, Home and others. Group 1, 91 post. Home Department 2778. Others 928. Next, others means Forest Department, etc. September 15th, 2026. Department is Group 2, 750 vacancies. Engineering 503 vacancies. Others 506 vacancies. Next, October 15th, 2026. School education and college education. More than 3004 plus. 3004 plus. So total posts are 10,060. 10,060 posts. Next, why this job calendar is important, or why these notifications are very important. This job calendar is important because regular recruitment process. Regular recruitment process. Transparency in government hiring. Next, opportunity for lakhs of students. There is a huge opportunity for lakhs of students. Covers multiple departments. Covers multiple departments. Police department, education department, medical and health department, forest department, engineering department, etc. etc. Next, preparation tips. What are the preparation tips for the aspirants in Andhra Pradesh? Follow previous year question papers. Don't delay for preparation. Don't wait for notification. First of all, you take thorough preparation. Follow previous year question papers. Very, very important. What type of questions are coming and what are the difficulty, you know very well. Daily current affairs. From the job calendar to back 1.5 year, 1 year or 1.5 year, current affairs are very, very important. 1 year or 1.5 year back from the date of notification. Next, practice daily current affairs. Practice mock test. Very, very important. Practice mock test. And time management is very important key. Time management play very important role. And prepare notes also. You prepare notes. That is very useful for you. Final note. This is a huge opportunity for the students or aspirants in Andhra Pradesh. But competition also be very high. Competition also very high. Keep in mind. Conclusion. This is a golden opportunity for AP students. It is a golden opportunity for AP students. We are waiting for years, we are waiting for months. Keep in mind, 10,060 jobs is a big number. 10,060 government jobs is not a small number, it is a big number. Don't miss it. Don't miss it. Take thorough preparation and get a government job. If you found this video useful, so like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for watching. All the best for your future.